Now that you've had an opportunity to work most of the way through Module 4, you've seen all the steps associated with how to lock your seatbelt assembly. Let's recap that flowchart in its entirety.
The first step is to slowly and completely pull out the webbing from the retractor. And this may take a minute. Listen for a clicking sound, then start to feed the webbing back into the retractor. If the retractor will not let you pull any webbing back out again, then you have a locking retractor. Be careful though that when you first start to do this, that you don't jerk or pull quickly on the webbing. This may activate the emergency locking feature.
Next, we'll check the latch plate for lockability. So for step 4, you want to buckle the seatbelt in. Give the lap belt a firm tug to check for any movement. If there is no movement, this is a locking latch plate.
If we move to step 5, when we pull on that lap portion of the webbing and that webbing moves freely in and out, we have no locking mechanism in our latch plate. So if we've gone through step 1, step 2, and step 3 and determined that there's no lockability in our retractor, we then move to step 4 and step 5 and determine that we don't have any lockability in our latch plate. We would then switch to the locking clip. We would then use the locking clip to lock the seatbelt system for our child safety seat.
In the rare case when you cannot lock the belt, another seating position must be used.